tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Good evening. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. If we look at Storm Track Live, you can see it's pretty quiet. We're not tracking any showers, so if you still have to bounce from place to place for Christmas dinner from house to house, you should be fine on the roads. We are dealing with a little bit of cloud cover, and tomorrow we could see a little bit of fog, but overall, most of the storminess is just off to our north, and it's going to stay there for the next 24 hours. So you can see it cold enough for some snow north of Green Bay, and we just have a little rain shower action over the northern Lake Michigan region, but other than that, pretty quiet across the Great Lakes. That's the only weather system in our area. Temperatures are warm under this too, so even though it's cold enough for snow north of Green Bay, our temperatures are in the mid-30s, and tonight they're not going to sink down very far, even though we are going to have a few breaks in the cloud cover. And those breaks in the cloud cover mean two things tomorrow morning. The first, we have a chance of fog tomorrow. It's not going to be widespread. Looks like it could be patchy and dense though. And the second is we could actually see some peaks of sunshine early. Now, as we go on throughout your day tomorrow, we are going to start to see increasing cloud cover. We even have a very slight chance of a scattered shower very late in the day, but tomorrow what you'll probably notice is the fact that it's going to be warm, especially in the afternoon. So we're going to climb from the 30s to top out at 42 to 44 for your day tomorrow. So if you're traveling on Friday, trying to get back into the swing of things, heading out to Chicago or Detroit, shouldn't see too many weather hazards. Even as far north as Traverse City, where there might be a small system, we only have about a 10% chance of a shower. And notice how mild these temperatures are. In fact, Chicago up near 50 degrees. Then we bounce up even farther for Saturday, but Saturday comes the chance of rain. We have another storm system just like we saw yesterday that's forming out in the plains. It's getting going, gearing up, and it's going to be rolling on through, dragging for the most part rain into our area. So for Saturday, plan on rain showers. For now, your storm system is still a long way off. So if we look at it on your satellite and radar, it's this big batch over here of snow. A lot of cold air behind it, but it's not going to be able to hold on to that cold air. So that's what we're going to be watching as it moves towards us. And then we have an area of high pressure that's south towards Florida. And what that's doing is it's helping to drag up all of this heat, and it's also helping to keep this storm system to the north of us until we get to Saturday. So that's why this band of cloudiness is being skirted up to the north. So high pressure is dragging up all that warmth, and if we look at your temperature trend, you can actually see it in action. High pressure picking up this warmth and carrying it towards the Great Lakes. So that's why we're going to be in the 40s for the next couple of days, but then we get hit with the Arctic air that's coming down from Canada. We've been watching it, and it's going to be sinking on down day by day. So Sunday, we get a little bit of a taste of it, a high of only 33, but then Monday it sets even farther. Once we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, our highs will be much colder, only topping out in the 20s, so a return of winter. In fact, 20s is where we usually sit for our overnight lows, so this will be even cold for this time of year. Now, a lot of people have been asking, okay, well, we've got the cold, will we get the snow? Looks like we got some wimpy chances for snow until about Tuesday, but once we get to Wednesday, we might be able to actually see some lake effect accumulation.
We couldn't deliver it for Christmas.
We couldn't. You know, there are a lot of people hoping, some people hoping not, so some of you are happy and some of you are not.
Hawaii, I saw Hawaii had snow
on the mountaintops?
Christmas, on the mountaintops.
Well, they're the ones that got it then. Goodness, they stole it from us.
Hawaii stole our snow.
Yeah, Melikamikimaka, isn't what they say? A Hawaiian way to say Merry Christmas. You're like, I don't know.
I don't know.
It is.
It is. Well, thanks, Alan.